Hey, welcome to the show. Take a look at the new lens protector from the company ESR. This is fitting perfect with my Galaxy S23 Ultra. I'm using the Iblason phone case. This is the Iblason Armor Box, and it fits perfect all around the sides. There's no interference at all. This was basically an easy install. All you do is you take the alcoholic wipes, wipe around the lens, wipe on top of it. Then you take the cloth and do another wiping to make sure there's no lint. And then your third step, you take the sticker and put that on top of the lens to get any remaining little tiny lint. Take a light to make sure that there's nothing else on there. And then after that, you'll take the tray that has the lens protector, put the tray of the lens protector on top of it, and bada boom, bada bing, it's an easy install. And here are the results. I'm really happy with this new lens protector with my new phone case from Iblason and the Whitestone Dome glass protector. This is ready to go. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show.